In this video, you will learn the whole procedure of producing 1 molar HCl solution from 37% HCl. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe our channel for informative videos. So the required repeatants and chemical includes hydrochloric acid, measuring flask of 500 ml, distilled water in a beaker, pipette, and a funnel. Here are some calculations to find out the molarity of 37% HCl. So the formula of molarity is percentage of HCl multiplied by its density whole divided by its molecular weight multiplied by 10. So the percentage of HCl is 37% and the density is 1.19. Here is the molecular weight of HCl, which is 1 plus 35.5, which is equal to 36.5. So by putting the values, so 37 multiply 1.19 divided by 36.5 and whole multiply by 10. Here we have our molarity as 12. Now let's find out the volume of 1 molar solution. We will use the formula as M1V1 is equal to M2V2, where M1 is the molarity of HCl, which is 12, M2 is the molarity of required solution, which is 1. V1 is our required volume for 12 molar HCl and V2 is our final solution volume, which is 500 milliliters. So here V1 is equal to M2V2 whole divided by M1. By putting the values, V1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 500 and whole divided by 12. We get a volume as 41.66 milliliters. Let's start our preparation. First of all, take a measuring flask of 500 milliliter and add some distilled water into it with the help of a funnel. Please add some water before adding concentrated HCl, because in this case you may harm yourself. Now take 37% HCl and start pipette out the required volume with the help of pipette, which is 41.66 milliliter. Now add this into the measuring flask. Here is the red point which indicates 500 milliliter and add some water up to that point. Now you have successfully prepared 1 molar solution of 37% HCl. You can store it in any bottle you want. Thank you.